Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the damage upgrade works in the new Wasp event inside Garden BCP event update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. So basically, the damage upgrade increases how much damage your bees deal to enemies. This means you can defeat the Wasp swarm and the Wasp King much faster. The higher your damage is, the easier it becomes to clear the event before losing too many bees. And this upgrade is especially useful if you're trying to farm rewards quickly because faster kills mean faster chest rewards. To upgrade it, you're going to head over the combat upgrade station and put your resources into the damage stat. You can open this upgrade tree and open this combat section. Okay, and here where you can upgrade the damage of the bee. I've already upgraded until level 3, and for the next level I need 8k honey coins. Okay, once upgraded, you will notice your bees attacking much harder during the combat. So if you want faster boss fights and easier event clears, the mage is definitely one of the best upgrades to get. And okay guys, that's how the damage upgrade works in Garden BCB event update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!